Epic Games has confirmed that Battle Royale sensation Fortnite will hit Android this summer. The news comes via a post on the company's site that spoke of the number of features the Fortnite team is working on for mobile. In addition to a Fortnite Android release date for summer, Epic Games plans to reduce the game's install size, performance on smartphones, and the addition of stat tracking to name a few. Voice chat and a customizable HUD is also in the works. Information regarding the mobile version of Fortnite comes after the game's tie-in with Avengers: Infinity War that saw Thanos playable in the game. We are targeting this summer for the release. We know many of you are excited for this release, and we promise that when we have more information to share, you'll hear it from us first, said Epic Games of the game coming to Android. Further on, it shed light on plans to reduce Fortnite download and installation size as well as allowing for background downloads. We are aware of the large installation size of Fortnite on mobile and are working to reduce that size. Over the next few updates we'll be compressing the size down while maintaining performance. We'll be making overall patch sizes smaller and adding the ability to download the content in the background. The post continues. As for better game performance, it's on the cards as well in addition to a battery save mode and graphical options. We see some areas where game performance can be improved. We are fixing code to optimize the experience, for instance increase graphic quality, as well as adding a battery saver mode which will allow you increased performance if you choose to lower the graphic quality. It's our first implementation of this option and we'll continue to improve upon it, the developer claimed. Earlier this week, it was revealed that Fortnite would get a new limited time mode, LTM, that's much more competitive than previous ones, Solo Showdown. While the rules will be same as in standard solo mode, all matches will be scored, making this Fortnite's first attempt at ranked play. Solo Showdown will run from Thursday, May 17th at 10 AM EST, 7:30 PM EST, to Monday, May 21st at 10 AM EST, also 7:30 PM EST. At the end of each game, players will receive a score. The winner gets 100 points, and it gradually decreases from there on. Finishing 20th gets you 50 points, and the last 25 players, 76 to 100, get 25 points.